How to avoid tourist traps in Disney World, Florida. Disney World is full of wonder, but it's also full of clever traps designed to drain your wallet. Don't fret. This guide is your fairy godmother to avoid common mistakes, save big, and still have an unforgettable Disney experience. Let's make that magic work for you. Before you drop $40 on a pair of Mickey ears, think twice. You can grab Disney-themed goodies beforehand at stores like Target or Walmart for a fraction of the cost. Your kids will never know the difference, and your wallet will thank you. Disney dining can turn into a budget feast. Pack snacks and reusable water bottles since food prices inside the park skyrocket. For a splurge-worthy experience, book a character meal in advance. It's a spend that's worth it because kids get memories and meals in one shot. You don't need every add-on the park offers. Flashy things like VIP tours and overpriced photo packages might seem tempting but rarely justify the cost. Instead, use Disney's Genie Plus system to streamline your visit without overpaying for extra bells and whistles. Those little carts selling glowing toys and treats are strategically placed to catch your attention. Avoid impulse buys by setting a spending limit or a souvenir budget before arriving. Create a souvenir scavenger hunt with your kids. It's fun and keeps spending in check. You don't have to spend big to capture Disney magic. Explore free activities like character parades, fireworks, and park-wide scavenger hunts. Prioritize unique, magical moments that cost nothing but gift lifetime memories. Ready to conquer Disney World smarter and keep your savings intact? Bring these tips along and watch your dream vacation come to life without breaking the bank. Like, share, and subscribe for more savvy travel tricks. We're here to make every dollar work its magic for you.